Hello friends, on behalf of Child and Church partners, Rez and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a New Year filled with real hope and joy.
On the night that Jesus was born, an angel appeared to the shepherds who were watching their flocks. And the angel said, "I bring you good news that will cause great joy for all people. Jesus is the good news." That's why we greet one another Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas, even though this season of merriment can be a difficult time of the year for many people and families. That's why our prayer for your family and ours this Christmas and New Year is that may Jesus, our Savior, who is our comfort and joy, peace, hope and light, health and healing, prosperity and wholeness, our Messiah, that may He become real in our everyday lives, and that may we personally experience His presence, not just talk about it.
Today, we also like to thank you for your generous gift to Child and Church Partners International. Your kindness has truly reflected the heart of Jesus, bringing love and hope and joy to the poor and struggling in the Philippines. What you see are faces of some of the children, teenagers and families that you support financially and with your prayers. You have made a tangible difference in their lives, showing Christ's compassion in very meaningful ways, such as providing financial support for weekly feeding programs and annual back to school campaigns for approximately 250 children, monthly school assistance to as many as 21 scholars, and biblical trainings for pastors, as well as the construction of churches. This year, we had our first college graduate. She graduated with a degree in education in July and got a job just days later. Yes, you are helping people break free from the bondage of generational poverty.
Indeed, many of these children and families face many challenges, among them poverty, domestic abuse, loneliness, loss of loved ones, conflict, homelessness, burnout. But what keeps them grateful and what gives them hope and courage to face another day is the knowledge that they have you, that somewhere in the United States of America, there are people who care enough to help change their lives today, tomorrow, and for eternity.
Personally, I would like to thank you for your support to our pastors in the Philippines. I am living proof that investing in the training and discipleship of pastors, especially those who serve in small churches and struggling communities, can have an exponential impact on families, communities, and in the world. On behalf of our diligent and hardworking pastors in the Philippines, thank you very much.
And those of you who are thinking about making year-end donations to causes that you care about, we would like to invite you to consider giving to Child and Church Partners International and planting seeds of hope and joy and a good future into the lives of many boys and girls and families who live in poverty.
Again, thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po!